Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Syntax Study. Here we are yet again with another video which is about dictionaries in Python. So as you all know what dictionaries mean, it is one kind of data structure in Python. So we are diving into this topic. It is a structured way to store and retrieve data using key value system. So that's coming to what actually dictionary is. A dictionary in Python is actually a collection of key value pairs. It's optimized for fast lookup. Given a key, you can quickly access or quickly find its value. Keys must be unique and immutable, while values can be of any data type. Next, we are going to see what creating dictionaries looks like. Yeah. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces, listing key, column, value, pairs separated by commas. This gives you a way to organize and access data efficiently. As you can see, here's the example, which is in a student variable, we are storing or we are giving a dictionary in curly braces. Here, name is the key, Alice is the value, and again separated by comma, age is the key, and 20 is its value, respectively. Next, how to access values in dictionaries. So to retrieve a value using its key, you can access values directly via dict square brackets key or safely with a method that returns a default if the key isn't found, which is dot get brackets. So this keeps the program from crashing unexpectedly. So to give a direct access, it's just as we taken from a previous example, it is student, which is dictionary name and square brackets and the key name, which is name, which gives you its value, which is Alice, as you can see in previous example. Or just you can use get if there is no key, it will not crash the code. And coming to modifying dictionaries, yeah, mutability. Dictionaries in Python are mutable, as you all know, which means that you can add new entries or update the existing ones dynamically. A key feature that makes dictionaries flexible and practical is this mutability. So to add a new entry, you can give the dictionary name and its key value key in square brackets and access it to a new value. And to update an existing one, you just give the existing key and then change its value. You can also update it using like update in the sense you can add a key value pair to existing dictionary by using update method, which merges another dictionary into that. So new keys are added like this. And if you are going to add and remove, if you are going to add and changing something, you can also delete the items, right? So the del keyword removes specific items by key, like for example, del, the dictionary name, and the key name, which removes the specific key and value pair from it. And there are different methods in this, such as pop and pop item, clear. Pop removes an item and returns its value from the dictionary. So you can remove individual entries or you can clear the whole dictionary. Options includes using specific removal methods or generic clear operations depending on whether you want to delete an item or reset everything if you want. And here the clear method actually clears the whole dictionary, what elements it contains. Next we are going to see what's common dictionary methods. Yeah, As we saw before, these are common dictionary methods like keys, values, items, copy. So keys here is it returns a view object of all keys. This view reflects the changes. It means you can see, we will list out all the keys that are present in a dictionary using this method. And here, like it goes the same for values, items also. It just shows you or views the object of all values or all key value pairs if you enter item. And when you see about copy, it creates a shallow copy of the dictionary, and this will not affect the original one. Here, example, as you saw, for first example, we took the dictionary name student. Now, for another, we are going to take new student, and we need the same items or same key value pairs as the previous example. So, we can take this previous dictionary name, which is student dot copy method. This will not change anything in the student dictionary, but you will get the same thing in the new student dictionary. That's about the common dictionary methods and iterating through dictionaries. So, as you know, what iterating means, like it loops that here are three things: iteration of keys, iterating values, and iterating items. Iterating values and iterating items are pretty similar when you come to syntax. And iterating keys, it loops directly through the dictionary. Each iteration yields a key, access the values using the keys. So the syntax goes like for key in the dictionary name and print the key, which is key means the key name. And for iterate values and for iterating items, you need to use dot values or dot items to loop through values or to loop through both keys and values. It provides an ideal when keys are not needed in the iteration of values, and this provides both elements in each step for iterating the items. So you can see the syntaxes that are provided here. And as you can see, I didn't go in very deep about dictionaries that you can get the whole idea about it. But yeah, I just covered and I wanted to cover the outline of what dictionaries mean or to know you can get the gist of what dictionaries in Python are. So coming to the conclusion, dictionaries shines when you need quick lookups by key like retrieving specific info by name. They also effectively express the relationships and they're reliable since they eliminate duplicates. They're efficient data, dictionaries offer the data storage and retrieval, and also it organizes and manipulate the data effectively with pairs. This can into like mastering operations enhances the code efficiency and readability. So that's all about dictionaries. So today we covered what dictionaries are, how to create, access, modify, and delete the entries in dictionaries, and how to iterate in dictionaries. There are also built-in functions and etc. There are many more topics to cover in dictionaries, but yeah, this is only about the outline of what dictionaries is. So that's the core of Python dictionaries, which is flexible and efficient. So let me know if you'd like to explore examples and apply this in a real project. We'll make another video for this. Thank you everyone. Subscribe and like.